In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to preview your message the way your audience will see it, so you can catch small mistakes, confirm your design looks right, and feel confident before you hit send on the real campaign. Start on the main Mailchimp dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the navigation panel and click Campaigns, then choose Email. This is where all of your email campaigns live, including drafts and scheduled messages. Opening this section helps you quickly find the specific email you want to check before sending it to your full list. Next, click on the email you want to send a test of. If you've created multiple versions or have several drafts with similar names, take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one. When you open it, you'll see the campaign's details and content overview, which is a great snapshot of what's included in your message. Now, find and click Send a Test Email. A small window will pop up asking where you want to send the test. Enter the email address you want to use for testing. You might choose your own inbox so you can see exactly how it looks, or add a teammate if you want a second pair of eyes. Be sure the address is typed correctly. A quick double check can save you from wondering why nothing arrived. After that, click Send Test. Mailchimp will confirm that the test email is on its way. Head to the inbox you specified and look for the message. Depending on your provider, it may land in your primary inbox, updates, promotions, or even spam, so it's worth checking those folders. When you open the test, review the subject line, preview text, images, links, and overall formatting. Keep an eye out for typos and spacing issues, and make sure any links go to the right pages. A couple of helpful notes as you review. In test emails, certain dynamic elements or personalization may not behave exactly as they do for subscribers, depending on your settings. That's normal. Also, if you're testing across devices, try viewing it on both desktop and mobile to confirm that the layout is responsive and easy to read. That's all there is to it. By clicking Campaigns, selecting Email, choosing your campaign, hitting Send a Test Email, entering your test address, and clicking Send Test, you've taken the smartest step toward a polished, professional send. Happy testing, and good luck with your campaign.